Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best Amazon Basics steel security safe and lockbox. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. ADIMO Home Safe Box. 1.2 cubic feet security safe box with fireproof waterproof money bag, digital keypad and dual key system, personal safe fireproof lockbox for home office valuable document. Brand ADIMO. Product dimensions 12.6 inch dx 16.54 wx 13.78h. Lock type combination, dual keys. Color black. Capacity 1.2 cubic feet. Material alloy steel. Special feature alarm system, sensor light, safe box for home, waterproof, fireproof, safe box for money. Mounting type wall mount. Control type key control. Included components keys, expansion screws, safe, floor mats. Super strong alloy and fixed design. ADIMO safe is made of heavy-duty alloy steel, thicker and safer from potential drilling and damage. The door has 3 thick bolts for added strength and anti-theft protection, and 2 expansion screw holes on the back, allowing you to mount the safe box on a wall or in a closet to prevent theft. It is 40% heavier than same-size safes, ensuring exquisite workmanship and professional safety protection. These make ADIMO safes for home the perfect choice for your valuables. Dual safety alarms. The fireproof safe has its own intelligent alarm system, reminding you when your valuable is in potential danger. The alarm apparatus is sensitive, and the alarm will be automatically triggered. The small safe for home will make a warning sound immediately under the following 2 situations: entering the password incorrectly 3 times, encountering severe collision. Number 2. Amazon Basics Steel Security Safe and Lock. Box with electronic keypad, secure cash, jewelry, ID documents, 0.5 cubic feet. Brand Amazon Basics. Product dimensions 9.8 inch dx 13.78 wx 9.8h. Lock type electronic. Color black. Capacity 14 liters. Material alloy steel. Control type touchpad control. Included components keys, bolts. Item weight 7.26 kilograms. Alarm no alarm. 0.5 cubic feet security safe with electronic lock and free operation indicator lights, powered by 4 AA batteries, not included. Includes 2 emergency override keys to protect against forgotten passcodes or dead batteries. Keep keys in a well-hidden, secure location. Strong steel construction with carpeted floor to protect against scratches and damage, pry-resistant concealed hinges, adjustable/removable interior shelf. Pre-drilled mounting holes with 4 expansion bolts are included to mount safe to wall, floor, or shelf. Number 3. Amazon Basics Steel Home. Security electronic safe with programmable keypad lock, safe for home documents, jewelry, valuables, 1.8 cubic feet, black, 13.8 inch wx 13 dx 19.7h. Brand Amazon Basics. Lock type electronic. Color black. Capacity 5 times 10 to the power of 1 liters. Material alloy steel. Special feature durable. Mounting type floor mount, wall mount. Included components screws. Item weight 17 kilograms. Protects valuables, 1.8 cubic foot home safe for safeguarding important documents, jewelry, cash, devices, and other precious items. Reliable safety. This safe box features a programmable electronic keypad for secure, easy operation, along with a backup key for emergency access. Requires AA batteries. Durable construction. This mini safe is built with heavy-duty steel, including an 8-gauge steel door and 14-gauge steel body, as well as 2 lip door bolts and pry-resistant concealed hinges. Convenient organization. This safe for home includes an interior shelf to help keep your belongings neatly organized and easily accessible. Easy installation. Comes with pre-drilled mounting holes and hardware, making it simple to securely mount this mini safe box to the floor or wall. Number 4. SentrySafe Dark Gray. Fireproof and waterproof safe with key lock, chest lockbox with carrying handle for travel, 0.28 cubic feet. Brand SentrySafe. Product dimensions 15.4 inch dx 15.5 wx 6.6h. Lock type key. Color dark gray. Capacity 0.28 cubic feet. Material aluminum. Special feature fireproof, waterproof. Mounting type floor mount. Control type key control. Included components safe box and keys. Fire resistant box, keep your important papers, digital media, and other valuables secure and protected from fire up to 1 hour and 1700 degrees Fahrenheit. Waterproof, lockbox is ETL verified for 72 hours of protection in water up to 8 inches deep, offering peace of mind in the event of a flood. Color, the document safe has a dark gray exterior finish. Key lock, fire-resistant safe has a privacy key lock to keep unwanted viewers away and prevent the lid from opening in the event of fire, includes 2 keys. Carrying grips, convenient carrying grips assist with ease of transportation and portability. Number 5. KYODOLED medium cash box with money tray, small safe with key. Brand KYODOLED. Product dimensions 6.3 inch dx 7.87 wx 3.54h. Lock type key. Color black. Material stainless steel, alloy steel, plastic, metal. Special feature portable. Mounting type floor mount. Control type key control. Included components keys. Item weight 1.76 pounds. Highly quality, cash boxes is made of durable steel which is solidly built and can prevent it from drops and impacts. Equipped with a wide carrying handle, you can transport your locking cash box easily. Privacy and safety, safe 2 keys for metal petty cash box. Lockbox has a privacy key lock to keep valuables safe. Either the box or the key is durable material quality that could be employed for a long time. Sufficient storage space, key lock boxes has double layers, the upper removable one with 5 compartments trays for cash, coins, and keys. The bottom one of the money box is designed for checks, receipts, and valuables. Wide application, lockbox with key is suitable for indoor and outdoor small business, commercial, supermarket, store, cafe use. Suitable to store bills, coins, checks and receipts. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.